Now, having discussed the types of research design in my earlier slide, we are going to see what each is. There are 5 types basically, and I'm going to talk about each of them in detail. A descriptive research design, it is theory based, which is created by gathering, analyzing, and presenting all the collected data, right? I've already collected the data earlier. I have gathered them, analyzed them, right? It provides insights into it, answers 2 questions, why and how, why a particular phenomenon happens, how it happens, right? And it also helps in better understanding of the problem. Why should I actually need this research? Why do I actually need? Like women's safety, if I take, why is their enrollment levels in colleges low in a particular area? And how can this be enhanced? Is it because of security reasons? Is it because they feel women need not study, right? So you can conduct an exploratory study. You can explore on the factors. Now, experimental, it establishes cause and effect relationship. Women don't go to colleges. The cause is it is not safe for them to go. Or even your scientific experiments like oxygen causes fire. I'm not very good at that, but then oxygen causes fire, right? So there was oxygen, so the fire was on. Are you following? I'm telling you in short, right? And usually they use it in social sciences to observe human behavior between 2 groups. Like I gave you an example, how they spend their retired life. Why do they spend working between the age of 25 and 55 and later on they relax? It is because they have saved enough, right? Majorly social research and psychology research. What happens to a child? Why is a child getting depressed soon? Maybe because of his childhood influences. He has had a lot of drivers in the childhood which is influencing his current behavior. Correlation, again, it works in non-experimental research design technique wherein what is the cause and effect relationship between 2 statistical variables? What is the relationship between 2 statistical variables like rainfall and crop growth? Are they related? So I am going to correlate them. And we have studied correlation coefficient, Carl Pearson's, Spearman's, etc. Spearman's rank correlation we have studied. We have studied Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, wherein it lies between -1 and +1. If it is -1, perfect negative correlation, where one variable falls by 50%, other variable will rise by 50%. If it is a perfect positive correlation, if one variable moves up by 50%, other variable will also move up by 50%, right? It is a perfect positive correlation. So anything can be between correlation coefficient can vary between -1 and +1. If it is going to be 0.93%, it means if one variable moves up by a certain amount, the other variable will also move up, but by 93% and odd. That is what it indicates. They both are related in a positive way, but then they both move in the same direction, and if one variable increases, the other variable also increases by 93% or so. Now, apart from that, diagnostic research design. The researcher here is going to evaluate underlying cause of a specific topic here. This method helps one learn more about the factors to create troublesome situation. Like for example, when we have this COVID situation, right? We are diagnosing every patient, right? He is diagnosed to be any medical research basically. What is the problem he is suffering from? If I have a stomach ache, why is it happening? Say I am diagnosed with an ulcer, cancer, whatever, I mean, God forbid, right? So there are three parts: inception of the issue, what actually is happening, diagnosing the issue, and finding out a solution for the issue. And now explanatory research uses researchers' ideas and thoughts on a subject to further explore their theories. Like, why do people after prefer to save during their retirement age, right? Like, for example, does it apply to rural area also? Rural areas, they enjoy more leisure. Why is it happening, right? All such research questions can be probed to answer the explanatory research design. Any doubts so far? I hope I'm clear.